Hello everyone. Attention all founders. Good day to all our founders. Dear founder, congratulations. Our new website www.ourfounders.net is now fully functional. Now you can log in and check all your founders team details, check all the functionalities. Study the ebook. This is 100% real company, real products, real people, and real business for real money. Check and come into action. We are in it to win it.
Important 9 steps to log into OFounders website are: 1. Go to www.ourfounders.net. 2. Enter your existing email and password. 3. Type in the captcha you see in the space provided to the right of that captcha, then tap Next. 4. A pop-up comes up saying, Access code sent successfully, click OK. 5. A new box comes up with entering the access code and 6 blank boxes. 6. Go to your email that you first typed in, make sure you check all folders if it is not in the inbox. 7. Remember or copy the 6 numbers that are in that email. 8. Go back to the OFounders login page. 9. Type or paste the 6 numbers into the 6 blank boxes and hit Login. Enjoy the amazing OFounders site. God bless us all. Become a founder. If you can lift up the millions in humanity in any way and leave that legacy, what better? What an honor, to be able to serve and do it. Ash Mufareh, Founder CEO. All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. Digital Future Founder, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe, like, and share this with the ones you love. We are in it to win it.